Well, I don't usually do unboxing videos, but this is a long-awaited item here. Yeah, the dryer's running. Let me go ahead and kill that. Oops, you can't kill it that way. There we go. Nice and quiet. First thing though, this is supposed to be a fragile. It's very heavy, and I don't see anywhere on the box that is written fragile. It does say this end up. However, when the box arrived, it was actually sitting up on its end. So apparently FedEx can't read. Anyway, let's I carried the box over here and I already heard things rolling around inside, so I'm hoping what I heard rolling around is not bad. This is more of a documentary video. Probably going to be an insurance claim. Just, well, it was boxed up pretty well. I get the feeling though that they just threw a bunch of peanuts in here. And with delicate electronics, sometimes peanuts just aren't enough. This is supposed to be a TRS-80 Model 12, which is why the box is so big. TRS-80 Model 12 uses 8-inch floppy disk drives. Let's see. Oh, well, we got foam. Nice heavy piece of foam there. Alright. Oh my gosh. Please just be a loose, because it's got expansion cards in it. Please just be a loose expansion card and I can just easily plug that back in, and don't be a bad picture tube. Well, picture tube is there. Oh, first sign of damage. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Somebody dropped the box and there's nothing. Wow, see, this is why I tell people, pack these things carefully. Broke the foot right off and it went through the box. But the picture tube still looks like it's alright. Get that into the light. Alright. And cardboard is not good packing material. It's not soft. It doesn't absorb any impact. Look at that. That is not good packing. This is not good packing. Okay, let me get these pieces. Freaking 30-year-old computer. I wish I just drove to Georgia and got it. Well, there's the hole. The other pieces are probably long gone. Damn it. Alright. Yep, I don't see any more pieces of this. But picture tube is there. It's not broken. There is hope. There is some hope for this old girl. That is a TRS-80 Model 12 microcomputer. That is an 8-inch floppy disk drive, not a 5 1/4. It has room for another one. Alright. That's a big old girl. Now, I have another box that's supposed to be the keyboard. Thank God I had them pack the keyboard in a separate box. If they had threw the keyboard in there, it would have been smashed. And I'd probably cried. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can let's get that out of there. Well, it does look like all the pieces are here, and I may be able to somehow put all these back together. I don't know why I can't ever hold this camera like steady without staring at the screen. If I'm not looking at the screen, I end up drifting down. Anyway, yeah, that's not good there. Anyway, she's out of the box, and surprisingly, this is not as heavy as it looks. If you're ever going to pack something this big, you need packing on top, you need packing material on the bottom, you need packing material on all, not just two thin sheets of bubble wrap to cover the screen. It needs to be thick. This thing needs to be able to withstand the shipping. Don't just throw it in a box. This was exactly what I was afraid of.